welcome back to my Taglish channel. Hi guys, how are you all on either side of the universe? So guys, on today's video, we are not going anywhere because today, Jax, also known as Chef Jay, will bake two kinds of muffins. So the first muffin is triple berries and the second muffin is double chocolate muffin for my mom, of course. So what are we waiting for? Happy watching.
Triple berry muffin mix, which looks like it has blueberries, raspberries and blackberries. So it's our first of the muffins we're making today. So this one here, just add milk or water. But I thought usually milk always tastes a bit better, so we're gonna make this now. So what we do, let's get the scissor. Here. See all the little bits in there.
Berries.
Smells like it too.
Smell like berries. Cheer up.
Now we just bake, I think it's between 16 and 21, so it's really just going to be more a visual thing. We'll be able to see it rise.
Out the muffin.
We'll try anyway. It's hard to grip this. There it goes. So it's actually just a small mix, so it's really just enough for the 6 of the small ones. So we'll grab the cooling rack, and now really they just need to sit on there for about 5 minutes, and then we'll take them outside of the little muffin cups here. But for now, they just rest. Making chocolate muffins.
Chocolate muffin.
So unlike the berry muffins we've made just before, This one actually does require just more than milk and water. We've got butter, 2 eggs, more water, but you have the mix. So it makes a lot more. So you're looking there, there's a lot of chocolate chips.
Oh, there's a chocolate chips over there.
So I've already measured the water, 95 milliliters.
2 eggs.
2 eggs.
2 eggs.
And we have the butter as well, which is pretty much very soft. And now the mixing happens.
And then
So I have to try and guess how much goes in there. I think it says on there to do about 2/3. Yeah, 2/3 full. I'm guessing this here may expand higher than the last ones though. Just check the bottom for powder pockets. This is a good thing about having so much chocolate chips, it actually helps break stuff up when you mix it. So now this time around, I'll use a big spoon.
okay guys, so the drops.
Now the battery may be 4, it's just a matter of spooning it in to the muffin trays. So it's about 2/3. We've got multiple batches here so we can sort of gauge how high we should go. Otherwise you might get it like a giant mushroom forming on top, but we'll see. As you can see, there's a lot of a lot of chocolate chips in there.
Why so large? I thought it's only less half.
No, it's about 2/3. Yeah, a lot of mix here. I'll just lift it up because that way it spills less. If you get too small, then it will just do like a cupcake. So you kind of do need the extra on top, so it actually flows over the top and then grows from there. It's uniform, got tiny bit like that back on there. There. Tiny one here. Yep, and now I'll just clean that up and then we'll put it back in the oven. Now guys, we're going to put this in the oven. Thank you, assistant.
No worries.
There we go. And we'll see you in some time. Now the second batch is ready. As you can see, some have elevated a bit more, and I think that's really just to do how much batter we put in each. So trying to do it one-handed here would be a problem. There we go. Excuse me, InDaynaMo. There we go. And now just let them cool down again. So guys, we've ended up with 12, which apparently 2 have already been eaten. So
So, that will go in storage and see Mama will have enough snacks for the week.
So that's it, guys. Jax, also known as Chef Dre, baked two kinds of muffin for my mama. So both are masarap and let me say delicious. Of course, I'm the taster for today's video. And that's the end of our video for today. I hope you enjoy watching our baking session with Jax and you learned something today. Thanks for watching and thanks for supporting my videos. And please like if you did enjoy my video today, and please do subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to hit the bell button for you to notify on my next video. And please comment down below if you like this video po. And see you when I see you on my